Hello everyone. I thought to invite you to a forthcoming training session by recording the joining instructions. On Friday, 6th of March, I will be delivering a training session showing you a tool called Learning Designer. Unlike the other sessions, this will last an hour and a half and it will be delivered only on a Friday, which means that there will not be any other repeated training session on Tuesday. So, what is this Learning Designer about? So, the Learning Designer is a web-based tool that prompts you to consider the type of learning experience you want for your students or for those who are attending your training sessions. So, you may wonder, is this session for me to attend? So, who is this session for? Since Birkbeck considered an institution particularly strong in teaching, the session is suitable for everyone. Even if you do not teach students in a class, but you train colleagues in various topics, this session will help you approach your training in a different way by considering what kind of experiences you want for your audience and how you will make your message stick with the participants after the session. Quoting Diana Laurillard, who has created the conceptual framework behind the tool, I would say that the tool is suitable for describing the learning process and is intended to be applicable to any academic learning situation for any subject areas and types of topic. Also, sometimes, very frequently, I get this question from colleagues when they ask me, what does it take to be a teaching librarian, normally known in our UK context as subject librarian? Well, while this role is more than teaching, the session will help you understand what teaching is about in our context, should you consider to be a learning support advisor or a subject librarian in the future. So here is what we are going to cover on the day. I will introduce you first of all to the Learning Designer tool for designing lesson plans. I'm very pleased to tell you that this is the second time that the tool is exposed to the community of librarians. So I will give you a short introduction to the Learning Designer, and then I will show you how I have used the tool in order to design 2 sessions on digital literacy. I will show you the platform, giving you an overview of the tool, and then we'll have almost an hour in our disposal to create our own lesson plans. So if you have in mind creating a new training session, or a session for students or for colleagues, then you can bring your ideas and start preparing the session using the tool. Or you can bring along one of your PowerPoints and see whether you can transform your PowerPoint into a lesson plan within the platform. At the end of the process, we'll have some time for plenary comments and discuss how you found the tool. So, there are 2 things I would like you to do before coming to the session. First of all, I would like you to register with the tool by visiting the web address showing you now on your screen, so we don't lose time with the registration during the session. The second thing I would like to do is you will find an attachment within the email sending you today, where it prompts you to read a document of what it makes for a good learning design. So this will give you an understanding, a baseline understanding of what we mean by a good learning design. So I would also like to add that this session will be recorded with Panopto, which means that you can revisit the parts of it at a later stage. However, I would appreciate it if you pop in the session so I don't feel like speaking on a computer alone. So, see you soon.